we have 15 ml sulfuric acid which is concentrated, and here we have 150 ml water. We are going to dilute the acid. Almost the acid will be 10%. So let's put the acid with the help of dropper in the beaker, drop by drop. Since it's highly exothermic, so we have to do the precaution. With drop by drop method, we will put the acid into the water. Now almost the addition of acid to water will be done. It's done. Now we got here dilute acid, which is the quantity of acid will be 10%. This is sulfuric acid. It seems hot. Why it's hot? Because this is exothermic. That's why beaker seems hot. So we prepared the dilute acid. Now we will put this acid carefully to this test tube. Before that, I would like to add some zinc granules. There are the zinc granules. We added zinc granules. Now we will add acid. I need the pot. As soon as I'll put the dilute acid into the test tube, it starts the reaction. You will see bubbles will form. Now reaction starts. You can see bubbles start forming. I need a matchstick for that. Now hydrogen gas will be formed inside the test tube. Wait for a few seconds. We will test the gas. You can see the bubbles now seen. Let's taste the gas. If it's hydrogen, it will be burned with oxygen. So just light a matchstick. Bring near it. Yes, this is pop sound. Again, taste again. When you bring a light matchstick near to the gas, it will burn with pop sound. Means the gas is hydrogen. Yes, you listen the sound, pop sound. Once again, we will test. Bring near. Yes. Oh.